6 out of 10. Honestly. Best part, it has pockets. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. So actually I'm really excited, like extra excited for this video because मुझे वीडियो बहुत टाइम से करने का मन था and I am finally doing it. And in this video I'm going to try out, I'm going to give you the review of 2 brands that I recently shopped from, and इससे पहले मैंने उनसे कभी shopping नहीं करी थी, and these are the brands Urbanic and Street Style Store. Actually I have shopped from Street Style Store but nothing from their clothing side. I have only purchased shoes from them, which also turned out not so good at the end. I'm going to review the clothing items. I got a few things from Street Style Store and a few things from Urbanic, and so yeah, without wasting any further time, let's just begin with the video. So the first thing that I got from Street Style Store is this top that I'm wearing, and I got it for rupees 333. And actually I got all the clothes from Street Style Store for rupees 333 and it costed me 999. उसके अलावा 50 rupees were for shipping charges, and 1050 में I got 3 clothes from Street Style Store, which I think is not so bad. So this is the top that I got, and it has beautiful tropical print and balloon sleeves. Also the sleeves are designed like this and it looks so good. बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा transparent है, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं. So you can wear this, but yeah, the material is not so good. Please don't expect that you are going to get best material out there in these kind of money. Moving on to the next thing that I got from Street Style Store is this polka dots dress. It is a wrap around dress, like, and यहाँ पे थोड़ा थोड़ा ruffles है, and the print is really nice too. Actually the print is quite darker than it was shown on the website. थोड़ा सा shade difference है. Actually इसमें भी थोड़ा सा shade difference है. जो मैंने website पे देखा था, the base color of this top was actually white, but जब मेरे को receive हुआ I was quite shocked कि ये तो वो है ही नहीं कि जो मैंने order करा था. But पहन के देखा तो it was looking good actually, so I kept it and didn't return. And I actually don't really know whether they take returns or exchange or whatever. So this is how the dress looks, and it has a V-neck which is honestly quite deep for me, and this is how it fits, and you have to tie it around. It has this and you can adjust the sleeves using this. So yeah, I got all the things in the S. I have always wanted a polka dot dress. इस पे when I saw this dress and it was in the offer like 3 for 999, so I knew I had to get my hands on this. So yeah, this is it. Coming on to the next thing that I got from Street Style Store, and it is this oversized black t-shirt. I was wearing this in one of my Instagram stories and few of you asked me to, so it is from Street Style Store, and this one is also this one is one size and it fits like this. It's very oversized. Basically it's an oversized dress for me, and yeah, I will try to style it in different ways, but iski baju I don't really like, you know, the drop shoulder thing, not my style. Maybe I'll end up wearing it, or maybe I'll wear it as a night suit, I don't know. But the material is really nice and it's in the color black. Print right here is also not that bad. Other than that, it's really good. Coming on to the next part of the video, and in this part I'm going to show you guys what I got from Urbanic. And actually मुझे Urbanic से shopping करने में बहुत hesitation हो रही थी because I never actually, you know, heard about the quality and all of different things, but I heard that उन पे sale चल रही थी and it was an offer of buy one get one in coats and or outerwear. So yeah, I grabbed 2 coats and let me just show you guys without wasting any further time. So the first coat that we have here is this green color teddy coat. So it looks like this. This is the material. It's very soft and very warm. Like I was not expecting this. Some discount and everything लगा के I got both of these, this one and the next one I'm going to show you, for rupees 1750, and I think it's all worth it because they are like so warm. अंदर से भी you can see it is like this kind of material जो coats वगैरह में होता है generally, and the best part, it has pockets. So yeah, इसकी यहाँ पे 2 pockets हैं, and This is how it looks on me. I was honestly looking for a teddy coat from a really long time. The price tags are still intact, sorry for that. And it also has really nice large buttons, and yeah, I really like it even with the buttons closed. It is very chic, very nice. Like you can wear it on really cold day and you look good. The fitting, the style, everything is just so perfect and I really like it. I cannot wait to wear this outside too. Okay, so coming on to the next coat that I got from Urbanic, and it is a trench coat. I have always wanted a trench coat as long as I can remember, but I never actually had one. The color looks like this. यहाँ पे कॉलर्स हैं, ये बटन है, अंदर से भी बिल्कुल हार्श फैब्रिक नहीं है, काफ़ी सॉफ्ट है, गर्म भी है। इतना गर्म नहीं है कि अगर आप मनाली हिमाचल वगैरह में रहते हो तो यू विल नीड मच मोर लेयर्स देन दिस, बट अगर आप बैंगलोर, मुंबई या फिर इवन थोड़ी दिल्ली की सर्दी में भी रह रहे हो देन यू कैन एक्चुअली वेयर दिस. सो या इट इज़ रियली वार्म इन दैट केस. एंड यहाँ पे 2 बटन्स हैं एंड दिस वन ऑल्सो एक्चुअली हैज़ पॉकेट्स. द लेंथ रीचेज जस्ट बिलो माई नी एंड yeah, this is how it looks. It has really nice collar detailing, I think, and just has 2 buttons, nothing more, and the pockets are also really spacious. I don't really know where I'm going to wear this, but yeah, I really like the fitting and everything is so nice. So that was it with today's video. I hope you guys liked the stuff that I got, and I'm quite impressed by Urbanic more than I'm impressed by Street Style Store. उनके कपड़ों को I will give like 6 out of 10 honestly, and Urbanic को I will give 8.5. Yeah, 8.5 is good. So yeah, I really like Urbanic and I am planning to shop more from it after a few months. So I'll also do a haul of that. And अगर आपके कुछ experiences हैं इन shopping sites के साथ, do let me know in the comment section. I would really like to know. We'll mention everything in the description box below, every product link, every price that I got it for. I'll see you guys in my next video next week. Till then, take care and be safe.